Happy Easter mwancho muligereria ndonsi asore karibu sana ime ya Getembe TV tunyare gusanga sense moi kionga chinsa isano na ibiricha bono mugaso kolingi buna kwanyare gutwara e weekend iringia nabo igo amatuko Easter ose Pasca ale amatoero karibu sana ritariane Matilde Obaigwa na Veni Nyaboke kurase bimanyirire obuna obutambe nanekero tuguchaka magiga yigitaseni kiga ya Getembe kumulikira umwana gusomugano bo mwana Alois Mokaya uyosiretie obugima bwaye magiga yokurumwa nte egintu kirirete kurwara ase iginga kintambe nabo igo abibule baye abo bale Manuari Mokaya no mungina oye Stella Manuari bagestokia na gusaba obukonyi eli banyare kwakana ebili ya nyagitari na kumwenia omwana oyo Alois nigo bono ya mateyo erenekia kogokera magiga yumo wakili oyubigoro mwana siasa swanya ogeto kubatarira asenka yabo ime ya karantini yotoka se ward ya Gesima bunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira nigo bono mwakili oyo anyare wakana ebile yo ya nyagitari bono gento abamate banyare kogokera buna mbachie komwene umwanchobo Lois
Sebwendi koba siko eminyoki abana guzero munde emurume ayo monyene sese ngokubeka him ngoja ngobwatikina egora tumaite machiko igo ayintu nyarigereri egento kyo muijano kiringa twasiri omwana ulengo mungaini ole koleta oborabu ase omuchyoyo so onate bunga e bill enyagitari igere 47,000 nateba eyongoja nyakane erinde munyoro mubiri kurunyaga yagitari naro lirinande bokongumbura nabure nande bonkugura e coffin nero nyugure so ndewana ine elinde ekenyuru na inwe mokoli mwendo okora omwana oya inwe yani otokosaba enkoro yaye rest whereas nyasa
number 2 as a family ya Stella no mogaka we are sorry in fact yenacha asengenjo gwateipole pati asengenjo tu asoire no mugambi na ende sengenjo mugambi kire gukora tikatote benga pole asengenjo gosirie nyaruka yawe eyabwate vision yenene yogokonye society yaito and because of that we send our sympathies and our condolences abantu baito moroje ngobo kongumbora onye ndiri no ene nyagitari yaito yabwata ndilepis onyanganja igete kobeto mwana oyo takora kieke ta sirabati asengenjo yoburayo bobeborega igese award yaito ne county in general. That is why we could not save this life, but it is unfortunate. So 2027 ligere lyo mwesimi waswanya ngori yaro bogafana na ndi muligere lyo ngorigiriro MCA
kumanu ali mukayo urucho amaine fikita swanya nkonyere mesande nabwate nyasa ndunsubuire fikita swanya gakimbia muno amchando nabwate ndoje yagusure kakitiga ngoke mbia muno
inche nkoro ku Jacqueline Mochechorina twarorire buya na ndi twagokire aso goika kwa mheshimiwa Swanya asinka ya Manuari omheshimiwa Swanya kwalemereri buna Naomi wetira asa yogokora nebintu gwakorera abantu ba Nyasaye takugotiga na kubwata okoboko na tumehapa kwa pamoja na wewe wakati huu mwaka huu
Nimetanya Kirari Simeon twatebire mbiamanase mheshimiwa Victor Swanya oyo no mogoko mone sana ekene mwakonyira ango Manuari mbuya mono mheshimiwa ese kwarusi na ndichirane gaki kinyoriki kya bunyamondo gaki ntakoretia maya
Murai wensi ya Kenya Muske William Ruto nigo alirira yogocha gukora obukurumi korwa ase serikali yensi ya Kenya nigo atebire muna wikabono oburai obobe ase sekta buna eri yesukari na boigo yekawa nigo bwanyarire koera nigo atebire boigo ensemo ya mangana yo kuligereria energy gose petrol mensi ya Kenya naro obukurumi mbuchikoera ase atebire muna wikira matukaiga nigo bono obotuki obotindi obogenderete ile kwane kibuna ensemeyo ababegu bonsi bararo na boigo bungainereria bwanyarire gokorwa.
Watu walifikiri ni mchezo, wengine wakafikiria ni mzaha. Tulikuwa na cartels, tulikuwa na brokers, tulikuwa na wakora ambao walituangaisha kwa mambo ya fertilizer. Wale wakora wote tuliwasafirisha, wengine walituuzia mawe ati ni fertilizer walikipata. Tukawa na cartels wa mambo ya sukari. Watu wajeuri Hawa cartels wa sukari tuliwasafirisha, tuliwakomesha. Leo sukari, sekta ya sukari iko sawa. Tukawa na cartels ya mambo ya kahawa. Hawa cartels ya kahawa tulishughulika na wao. Leo wakulima wa kahawa wanalipwa 120, 130, 140 shillings, ile walikuwa wanalipwa shilingi 50, kwa sababu cartels tumewakomesha. Hawa cartels ya mambo ya mafuta watakipata, hawawezi kuhepa, kwa sababu haiwezekani katika taifa letu la Kenya watu waone tuko na shida ya Middle East, wanajaribu kuja kukoroga shida ingine hapa Kenya. So I must say for the record, this is the administration that is going to deal firmly, decisively and conclusively with all cartels. We finished the cartels in the fertilizer sector, we finished the cartels in the sugar sector, we finished the cartels in the coffee sector, we will deal with the cartels in the oil sector.
Mawaziri omonene na wigotenete amangana yechinse chesko muske Musalia Mudavadi nigo aboliri abanasiasa onsi minsi ya Kenya na boigo abaraibare asebirogo ao banyare kwenekia omulembe na boigo obotoereru ka ukona kura ase county ya Narok muske Musalia nigo boigo anyare kuboria abarai bari bari asensemo yokwamireria serikali banyare gutwara ekirenga anamono ekero barigetie gututera isiko oburai uri abisi.
Kwa hivyo tuwe na imani na serikali yetu, tuwe na imani kwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwa sababu anatuongoza kwa njia ya amani, anatusaidia kudumisha amani. Kwa hivyo tukisema two term, na hapa Kilgoris hapa, you have 80,000 registered voters. Tukisema two term, mimi nakubali ni two term. In fact, the debate we should be having is not about two term. The debate Kenyans should be having is what is going to be the margin between him as our candidate, as the people's candidate, as the candidate of Kenya, na wale wengine. We want a decisive victory. Tunataka ushindi ambao mtu hatakuwa na argument. We should be talking of a decisive two term. Not just two term. Decisive. Decisive. Hatutaki mtu aende kotini akifikiri kwamba ana lake kwa koti, kwa petition. Tunataka Mheshimiwa William Ruto ashinde, na ashinde kwa njia ya kidemokrasia, na ashinde mpaka wale watu wapotee na wasijadhubutu kwenda kotini. Tuko pamoja hapo?
Na umurai w'ikiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front umuske Kalonzo Musyoka niko bono anyari kuboria abarai b'iki kanisa banyari gukora amasabo iri gukora amang'ana y'ububegu nabo butumeke ubube wabasaye iri gwikirania tindoto cia gisiasa kurwase gati y'abarai kaukona kurwase muyiga bw'kanisa ime y'ikinsemo cha Langata mucio Nairobi muske Kalonzo nigo atebruna ense ya Kenya nigo yabeire etabwati omulembe nabo butoreru anemono ase amang'ana gusase mega ya gisiasa nabo emega y'iki kanisa iyo yaberike gusarwa negati y'abarai batabwati amasikani.
Goonism. Please pray, Bishop, against that spirit. That's my last comment. The spirit of Goonism. It used to be that, please sit it. Please be seated. It used to be that during political contests, men and women will espouse, they will talk about their agenda, and they will listen to each other. In fact, probably even used to be better under Moi that time, because the DCs were the ones who are chairmen of campaigns. So they will not allow you to come with goons carrying rungus and pangas. Now, these days, and unfortunately, pray for our police service. Because when we amended Constitution 2010, and we now got it, a very important document, which I think makes Kenya stand different. And the future, the political future of this country stands really properly guided because of that document. Elsewhere, like in Tanzania, for example, once election results of a presidential contest are announced, it is the case of Pontius Pilate, no appeal. No appeal, hakuna appeal. But here, Kenyans can go to the Supreme Court, they can do all those things. So, that document pronounces that our police force will be in the National Police Service. But now, they've gone backwards, so pray for them. And I am telling you this because I had a very important discussion with the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kanja, and I think want to thank him because since that meeting, he has not sent men to come and enter a sanctuary and throw tear gas like they did in Othaya. Because we are now to be bold and go and say, this is not expected in a democracy. Let the freedom of worship prevail.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Homa Bay Omoske Gladys Owanga na inde ole omanyakirogo ase kiama gia ODM ni gobono atebiruna ikiama gia ODM ngeti gutwara gusinge kikonyara gukora okubagana amabaga yoburai ni kiama keri kia UDA asobochori obonene bogocha kaukwana korwa ase kaunti yo ya Homa Bay Omoske Owanga nigo atebiruna asobochori obo ni gobono ikiama ikyo kiranyara gutwara libaga lia gatigati ne kiama keri kia UDA asatebire ikiama gia ODM ne kiama egetingo na boigo ngerigetie konyora nonye amabaga gusebirogo ebinene byoburai sobochori obonene.
And as we face the next election, we are facing that election focused and strong. And if we are going to any negotiation table, we are going as equal partners, not as a weaker party. Tutatembea katika kila kona ya hii Kenya, tuimarishe chama cha ODM. Tuko sahi na wabunge 100 na tukirudi katika uchaguzi ujao, tutakuwa na wabunge zaidi ya hiyo. And if we are honest and strong about our partnership, we will respect each other and respect each other's strongholds. Hiyo tutafanya. Na vile tumesema bila kuogopa, tukienda katika ile meza kuzungumza, kwa sababu what we want to say also clearly, we have decided as a party, and it was decided at the SDC, that we are going to negotiate with like-minded parties, and we gave our party leader the responsibility. The people we are not going to negotiate with are tribalists, watu ambao wanatenganisha Wakenya, wale ambao wanatenganisha Wakenya kwa misingi ya kikabila, watu wa matusi, watu ambao hawajielewi, hao hatuwezi ongea nao. Tutazungumzia maneno ya devolution. Tutazungumzia maneno ya economic empowerment for our women and our young people. Tutazungumzia maneno ya human rights in this country. Tutazungumzia maneno yote economic justice. Tutazungumza tukielewa ya kwamba kila Mkenya ako na haki ya masomo, haki ya afya. Hiyo yote tutaweka juu ya meza. Lakini pia ile positions tutazungumza tukisema ni 50-50. Wale wakichukua nusu, ODM pia ni nusu. Wakichukua president, deputy ni ODM. Hivyo ndio tutazungumza tukielekea.
Ase siasa ya yumrai wekia magia DCP Boske Rigathi Gachagua ni gobono agenderere gusingira buna ere nabe kaguteba amaene kaukona korwa ase county ya Kiambu ni Boske Rigathi Gachagua atebire buna nare ange gusinare tayari kiyuma nonye kubekwa biara ne kiombekiri kyo gukora obutuki ya DCI kubwatikana ne chinkwana echo abere ka kubwatuka kurende chinga kicho nigo agenderere gusingira buna ekatia barai ime ya serikali nigo bagenderete kugacha kusiko igachira enibo ya Bakenya.
Na nikaeleza vile exhibit ya 500 million imeibiwa. Sasa naona DCI wanaandika barua ati ya kutisha Rigiji. Wacha nikuambie DCI, siku Kasongo amenitoa kwa ofisi, watu wetu walinyamaza kwa sababu hawakuelewa, hawakuamini ya kwamba Ruto anaweza fanya kitu kama hiyo. Ilichukua watu wetu 2 weeks kukubali ya kwamba Ruto alihangaisha sisi. Lakini saa hii wewe kama unataka kuja shika mimi, shika Rigiji. Na nikwambia DCI, before utishe mimi ati unataka kunishika, nataka kwanza wale watu walitupiga Lemuru wakati ya funeral, walitumwa na Kimani Ichung'wah, ukamate hao upeleke hao kotini. Kabla hujauliza mimi swali yoyote, wale wakora walitupiga Mweki PCA Church, uwakamate uwapeleke kotini. Kabla hujauliza mimi chochote, wale wakora walitupiga PCA Kariobangi, uwakamate upeleke kotini. Kabla hujauliza mimi chochote, wale askari 12 walitupiga kanisani ya Wetima ACK, uwapeleke kotini. Kabla hujaniuliza chochote, pesa ya SHA imeibiwa na Adan Duale, umshike umpeleke kotini. Kama hujauliza mimi chochote, ukamate Kasongo kwa kuua watoto ya Gen Z, umpeleke kotini. Hiyo ndio kazi yako. Hapana tisha sisi. Sisi tuko na haki, freedom of expression, na mimi ni mtetezi wa Wakenya. Mkiiba pesa lazima nitatangaza jinyi. Na bado sijatoa maneno. Mimi natayarisha maneno na nauliza Wakenya muendelee kuliletea. Wale officers ya DCI walinitafuta usiku kuniambia XBT imeibiwa, nataka niseme shukurani. Na tutaendelea kueleza ile maneno naendelea katika Jamhuri ya
Biamana sana umancho muligirene na boigo kendera kubwatia emerobeli ya Getembe TV kuba muno umurobeli go swasembe ochitaka gachinge chiribosio vibes on vibes chenkro kwa Matilda obaigwa nyaboke ven korwa sebe manyiru na boigo nere matundra bakubwatirana na Eugene korwa ase studio ya kabere kendera gutobwatia ase mitandao yaito yekerero asogotonyora buna Getembe TV twara ubuligiriri havia.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano EU ebwata chikosi buna Agriculture and Environment Studies asiba kwiga Agriculture and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo nkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwige dibali ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwige dibali Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwige dibali Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design nkwige dibali Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kocha sabali bonse baraganye kwigera kugenda Kigali.
Samaria tana ngoro kwa James Barare Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. College ito igere ya serikali bagosomia abana courses cy'obubundi asamangane school fees serikali njayira netinse na kero mwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo mwana goja neri abwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherwale asabe kibasa cya serikali ya kirito kuruka government scholarship